Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix your remote device or resource won't accept the connection. First, go to Internet Options and select Connections. Click on LAN Settings and make sure that these three boxes is unchecked. Then click on OK. Next, search up CMD, right-click on it and run as administrator. Here, simply enter ipconfig /release and click on enter. Next, input ipconfig /renew and hit enter. Now go back to internet properties again and go to advanced. Here, click on restore, click on apply, and that's it.